Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I came with this topic because I just want to review this product. This is a hair straightener and the brand called Kipozi. As I have seen a lot of good reviews on this product on Amazon, so I ordered it and I would like to show the unboxing and also show the detailed review about this product. And yeah, here we go. So here is the thing. This is the box that I have got, and in this box there is a cute velvet clothing bag. This is the place where we have our straightener, and this is the straightener which I have got. Well, I have seen this product on Amazon, and the best part is here you can reduce or increase the temperature, and there is an LCD screen that displays the temperature, and I would like to switch on and show you how it works. And you will be getting UK plug as well. And yeah, basically this is how your straightener looks. And I have got this in an offer of Black Friday sale on Amazon, and I would like to give a detailed review. And yeah, I just switched on the straightener. As you can see, the display, it's in blue light, and most importantly, the wire for this, it's very big. I mean, it's very long. And I would like to start this. And here we have 3 buttons, on and off, and most importantly I just switched it on. And now there is a lock here. You have to unlock this and then you should start straightening it, and careful while doing the straightening. Okay, first I will do a partition for my hair because that's how we have to do the straightening, and then we have to go with the process, and I'll come back once after doing partition for my hair. In this straightener we have unlock and lock button. As you can see, I'm closing it to lock. Now it's locked, and now I'll just open. Now it's unlocked, which is good. As you can see, I have increased or decreased the temperature, and then I'm using it. At first I really got confused with the settings, but I think I should use more often so that I'll get to know about this product more. Most importantly, I got confused between the temperatures, and but it's working. That's a good thing. With the same straightener we can do even curling as well, so I will just try to do the curling. I'm not sure if it works or not. I just try to give a little wavy here. I mean, like, I would like to curl this ends. So I'm just trying to give a little curling thing. So let's see how it looks. It's fun when you dress up. And please ignore my face. I'm looking so funny. Okay. Ooh, you're getting heat. I mean, like, now you're getting the smoke from it. It's looking so cool. Okay. Now here is the straighten look and overall for the straightener. As you can see,